Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm sharing soft and flavorful Matar Paratha. Made with fresh green peas, lightly spiced, beautifully layered and perfect for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Let's start the recipe. In a blender, add half cup green peas. Green peas give natural sweetness and color to paratha. 2 green chilies, 1 inch ginger, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon sugar and 1/4 cup water. Blend into a smooth paste. Blend peas smoothly for soft dough. In a bowl, add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. And pour in the blended matar mixture. Knead well to make a soft dough. Rub some oil over the dough. Cover and keep aside for 10 minutes. Prepare the corn flour mixture by mixing 1 tablespoon corn flour with 1 tablespoon oil. Corn flour helps create soft layers. Resting dough improves rolling texture. Take a portion of dough, roll it thin. Spread the corn flour mixture evenly. Fold as shown and roll gently again. Roll gently to protect the layer. Heat a pan on medium heat. Place the parathas. Cook on medium heat for even browning. Spread a little oil and fry both sides until golden and well cooked. Green peas are rich in fiber and protein. Homemade paratha uses fresh ingredients. Controlled oil makes it lighter than restaurant food. Suitable for both kids and adults. Remove and serve hot. Matar paratha tastes best when served hot. Your matar paratha is soft, flavorful and perfectly layered. Serve it hot with curd, pickle or curry. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Enoven Cake and Cookies for more homemade paratha recipes.